Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. I'm Dr. Nazima Habibi from the Environment and Life Science Research Center of KISAR. I'm very thankful to the organizers of the Scientific Poster Day to provide me with an opportunity to present my research and also choose my poster among the discrete category. So my research entitled The Evidences of Airborne Spread of SARS coronavirus 2 is focused on two major research questions. The first one is to identify whether it can be spread through the aerosols, and the second question was, are there any other viral communities that coexist with the SARS coronavirus? To answer these two questions, we used an approach that we have recently published in PLOS ONE, where we successfully demonstrated that there are certain bacterial and fungal communities which are present in the aerosols. We applied the same approach, and we collected the samples from the indoor settings of hospitals and non-hospital environments. And for the sample collection, it was a difficult task in this present study because we did not have any biosafety level 3 containments available. So at first place, we developed a novel sampling strategy. The protocol for sample collection is already being published in an international book by Elsevier Sciences. So basically, we took 3 gas glass bottles and we filled trizol in it. Trizol is a very effective lysis agent. It kills all the biological components like viruses and microbes, whichever come in its contact there and then. So these gas glass bottles were connected to a vacuum pump, and this entire setup was we were able to use under the biosafety level 2 settings. And we ran this setup for 2 hours, and we collected samples from the indoor air. Once we were done with the sample collection, we purified the nucleic acid from it, and then we subjected it to qPCR. From our results of qPCR, we were able to find that the coronavirus was present in certain areas under hospitalized settings, mostly in enclosed spaces. And also, we found out that there were certain common and unique viruses. The common viruses were the flu B, enteroviruses, and rhinoviruses that coexisted in the indoor air. And the unique viruses were the non-SARS HKU1, NL63, respiratory syncytial virus, Boca virus, adenoviruses, etc. We also tested for the presence of certain bacterial species, and we found that Haemophilus influenza was the most common bacterial species, and the other two bacterial species were the Streptococcus pneumonia and the Mycoplasma pneumonia. We validated our results from the qPCR through the more advanced next generation sequencing method. And through this technique also, we were able to detect very, very low reads to be present in some places in the indoor air. So, to conclude, I will say that we were able to answer both our questions, and we could say that yes, the SARS coronavirus can spread through the aerosols under some special circumstances, and there are also some other viral and bacterial communities which coexist with it. The interactions among these communities still need to be explored, which we are going to do soon in our future research. And so the take-home message from our research is that you should keep on wearing the masks and practice the social distancing. In addition to this, it's also required to increase the ventilation in the enclosed spaces. These results and recommendations we are very soon going to share with the Ministry of Health officials, and we have also submitted it for publication to an international Q1 journals to create more global awareness. So this is all about my research, and the end I would like to thank our funders, the Kuwait Foundation for Advancement of Sciences, and also to our KISAR management for providing us with all the support to do this research. My thanks are also due to my project team, my Dr. Fadila Al Salamin, my program manager, Dr. Saifuddin, Mr. Sami, Ms. Anisha, Ms. Nisreem, and also my other project teammates. Through the coordinate efforts of whom we were able to achieve the results in a very short time frame of 6 months. In the end, I would like to wish a very happy, healthy, and safe future to Kuwait, its citizens, and its residents. Thank you very much.